Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse dimension. And I just hope when we make it inside this absolutely amazing Spider-Verse dimension that I get to meet up with Miles Morales and Spider-Man, and maybe they can even train me to become the next Spider-Man. Although, guys, it would probably involve me being bit by a spider, and I don't know if I want to go through that again. But what you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is you're going to need 20 black wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of those on the ground, just like that. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your black wool, just like that. Right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your black wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a spider pig, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 black wool on this side, and then 5 black wool, guys, right in the middle, smack dab, right in the middle, and then 1 red wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now it's time to go ahead and whip out your flint and steel, guys, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse dimension, guys. This is going to be so amazing, guys. I just hope they train me to become the next Spider-Man. But whoa, right here we are, guys. Wow, is this their house? Oh my god, this must be their house, guys. This ain't even a house. This is a mansion, guys. This must be like the Spider-Man mansion. Wow, it is amazing. Oh my god, do they have a helicopter up on the roof? Oh my god, I cannot believe they actually have a real helicopter up on the roof. They're going to have to teach me how to fly that, guys. I really need to know how to fly that helicopter. And oh my god, right here's Miles Morales. Oh my god, it might be his helicopter. Is that your helicopter, Miles Morales, up on the roof? I think it might be. Will you teach me how to fly it? You will? Oh my god, this is the best day of my life, Miles Morales. Wow, I cannot believe he's actually going to teach me how to fly a helicopter, guys. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. I'll meet you up on the roof, okay? Okay, I'm going to meet him up on the roof, guys, after I look over this absolutely amazing Spider-Man mansion. I will meet him up on the roof. But just go ahead, guys, and take a look at this place. Isn't this place absolutely amazing? This really makes me want to become a Spider-Man. But let's go ahead and check out the inside of this place. And wow, even the inside of this place is humongous, guys. This must be like the room where all the Spider-Men talk about all the villains' butts that they've kicked. And what is this in here, guys? Is this a dance room? Do you guys want to see my dance moves? I have some really good dance moves. Watch this, guys. I shake my butt. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. And then when you start to get tired of me just shaking my butt, which is very unlikely, then I can shake my hand. That's right, guys. I can shake my hand and shake my butt at the same time. Nobody else can do that, guys. Nobody else can do that. And oh, my God, is this guy really trying to copy me? Wow, I cannot believe this, guys. He's ripping me off. He's ripping off my dance moves right now. Wow, I can't believe that. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and watch this absolutely humongous television, guys. Wow, this is an absolutely amazing sofa and an even more amazing television. Oh my god, are you still trying to dance? He's still trying to dance. We get it. You know how to do my dance move. I can't believe that, guys. I can't believe that. But I would really love to live in this place, guys. Like, if I do get bit by a spider, I'm definitely coming back to this place, guys. And oh my god, do they have a humongous swimming pool out back? Wow, this is amazing, guys. And oh my god, they have like a bunch of little fishies in the swimming pool. And they also have a humongous diving bird that you can go all the way up and then dive into the water, guys. Wow, I gotta do that, guys. I gotta do that. And I'm not gonna be a chicken. I'm gonna do it. Do you think I'm gonna be a chicken? He thinks I'm going to be a chicken. I don't think he thinks I'm going to do it. You know what? I'm going to prove you wrong, and I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to climb all the way to the top of the diving bird, and I'm going to jump. I'm going to prove that Spider-Man wrong, guys, and I'm going to jump. Unless it's too scary. Then I'm not going to jump, guys. And oh my god, this diving bird is taller than the mansion. But we have a good view of the helicopter, which is really nice, guys. I really do love that helicopter. And I cannot wait to fly it, guys. But you know what? This is going to be a scary jump, guys. This is going to be a scary jump. I'm going to go ahead and have my spider pig do it, though, first, guys. I'm going to have my spider pig jump into the swimming pool first. All those Spider-Men are probably going to think it's me, but it's not going to be me, guys. It's going to be my pig. Watch this, guys. Are you ready to do this, pig? Well, it don't matter if you're ready or not. Bye-bye, pig. Oh, my God. Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. I think he did like a 360 jump into the swimming pool, guys. Wow. Well, he survived, guys. So you know what? I'll probably survive as well, guys. So let's go ahead and let's man up. I'm not going to be a chicken about this. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to do a 1080 into the swimming pool. Oh, my God. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing, guys. Wow. And you didn't think I could do it, did you? I don't think he did, guys. I don't think he thought I could do it, but I did it, guys. Wow, that was amazing, climbing all the way up there and then diving into the pool, guys. That was absolutely amazing and super fun. But now it's time to go for that helicopter ride, guys. Let's go ahead and build our way out with TNT to the roof and meet up with Miles Morales. Hopefully he's up here, guys, to teach us how to fly this thing, because if he isn't, I'm still going to fly it, guys. I'm still going to fly it, and I don't see him. Let's go ahead and check this roof. I don't see him, so we might be flying this thing by ourselves, guys. That might just have to happen. Oh my god, right here he is. Wow, I cannot believe you're actually meeting with me. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and fly it. Is that all right? It is all right? Oh my god, guys, I'm about to fly this thing. It is going to be amazing. Wow, I love the inside of this helicopter, guys. But now it's time to fly this thing, guys. I could just like imagine flying this thing all over the place, guys. It would be amazing. But obviously, Miles Morales forgot to put gas in it, guys. So we're not going to be flying it anywhere. I cannot believe that he forgot to put gas in it, guys. But you want to know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow it up with some TNT, guys, because I'm not going to need it. Once I become a Spider-Man, I'm going to have webs that shoot out of my hand, and I'm going to be able to travel really quick, guys. So I won't even need this thing anymore, guys. And, you know, once it runs on E, that means end, and you can't fly it anymore. Ain't that right? Yeah, that is right. So let's just go ahead and let's blow this thing up. It's going to be absolutely amazing, guys. Here we go, guys. Oh my god, I'm running. I'm running, guys. Oh my god, this is going to be a massive explosion. Boom, boom. Oh my god. Whoa. That was amazing, guys. Wow, there's only a little bit of the helicopter that's left after that massive explosion. But like I said, guys, once the tank goes on E, that means end. And I wouldn't have been able to drive it anyways, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.